Liopleurodon is a genus of large, carnivorous marine reptile belonging to the Pliosauroidea, a clade of short-necked plesiosaurs. The two species of Liopleurodon lived during the Callovian stage of the Middle Jurassic Period. It was the apex predator of the Middle to Late Jurassic seas that covered Europe. The largest species, L. ferox, is estimated to have grown up to 6.4 meters in length. The name Liopleurodon derives from ancient Greek words, micro-aii, leios, smooth, pleurá, side or rib, and odor to the first n, tooth. Discovery and species. The genus name Liopleurodon was coined by Henri Appert-Melmile Sauvage in 1873 on the basis of very poor remains consisting of 3 70mm teeth. One tooth, found near Boulogne-sur-Mer, France in layers dating from the Callovian, was named Liopleurodon ferox, another from Charlie, France was named Liopleurodon grossovre, while a third discovered near Caen, France was originally described as Puikilopleuron bucklandi and described by Sauvage to the species Liopleurodon bucklandi. Sauvage did not ascribe the genus to any particular group of reptiles in his descriptions. Liopleurodon fossils have been found mainly in England and France, with one younger species known from Russia. Fossil specimens that are contemporary with those from England and France referable to Liopleurodon are known from Germany. Currently, there are two recognized species within Liopleurodon. From the Callovian of England and France, L. ferox is well known. While also from the Callovian of England is the rarer alpaca derives, described by Seeley as a Pliosaurus. Only L. ferox is known from more or less complete skeletons. Paleobiology. Four strong paddle-like limbs suggest that Liopleurodon was a powerful swimmer. Its four-flipper mode of propulsion is characteristic of all plesiosaurs. A study involving a swimming robot has demonstrated that although this form of propulsion is not especially efficient, it provides very good acceleration, a desirable trait in an ambush predator. Studies of the skull have shown that it could probably scan the water with its nostrils to ascertain the source of certain smells. Size Liopleurodon ferox first came to the public attention in 1999 when it was featured in an episode of the BBC television series Walking with Dinosaurs, which depicted it as an enormous 25 meters long predator. This was based on very fragmentary remains, and considered to be an exaggeration for Liopleurodon, with the calculations of 20-meter specimens are generally considered dubious. The error persisted in the 2003 spin-off Sea Monsters. Estimating the size of plesiosaurs is difficult because not much is known of their postcranial anatomy. The paleontologist L. Bitalo suggested that their total body length can be estimated from the length of their skull, which he claimed was typically 1/7 of the former measurement. Applying this ratio to L. ferox suggests that the largest known specimen was a little over 10 m, while a more typical size range would be from 5 to 7 m. The body mass has been estimated at 1 and 1.7 t for the lengths 4.8 and 7 m respectively. However, new research on Chronosaurus and the finding of a complete skeleton of L. ferox show that their skulls were actually about 1/5 of their total body length, which suggests a maximum known total body length of 6.39 meters based on NHM of 3536, the largest known skull at 1.26 meters in condylobasal length, 1.54 meters in overall length. Taxonomy: Liopleurodon belongs to the family Pliosauroidea, a clade within Plesiosauria, known from the Jurassic of Europe and North America. Liopleurodon was one of the basal taxa from the Middle Jurassic. Differences between these taxa and their relatives from the Upper Jurassic include alveoli count, smaller skull and smaller body size. An analysis in 2013 classifies Liopleurodon, Cymolists, Pelenusts, Pliosaurus, Gallidosaurus, and Brachiocheninea as Thalassophornea. The cladogram below follows a 2011 analysis by paleontologists Hilary F. Ketchum and Roger B. J. Benson, and reduced to genera only. See also, List of plesiosaur genera, Timeline of plesiosaur research. References. External links, Liopleurodon information and photos, the Plesiosaur Directory, article on the giant pliosaur skull once assigned to Liopleurodon, Tetrapod Zoology.